Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to blend and soften photo edges in Canva. This technique is perfect for creating those dreamy, professional-looking images with smooth, faded borders that really make your designs stand out. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Canva design where you have the photo you want to work with. Once you're in your project, go ahead and select the specific photo whose edges you want to soften. This will activate all the editing options available for that image. Now with your photo selected, look up at the top toolbar and click on Edit. This opens up Canva's full suite of photo editing tools. You'll see several quick options displayed, but what you need is the complete menu, so click on See All to reveal every editing feature available. From the left panel that appears, locate and select Blur. This is the tool that will allow you to selectively soften areas of your image, giving you precise control over which parts get that smooth, blended effect. The Blur feature is incredibly versatile and is exactly what we need for edge softening. Once you're in the Blur menu, you'll notice different blur options at the top. Navigate to the Brush tab. This particular mode lets you manually apply blur exactly where you want it, making it ideal for working on specific areas like photo edges rather than blurring the entire image. Next, click on Add Blur to activate the brush tool. At this point, you're ready to start manually applying the blur effect, but before you do, you'll want to customize your brush settings to get the best results for your specific image. Take a moment to adjust both the brush size and intensity sliders according to your needs. The brush size determines how wide an area you'll blur with each stroke, while intensity controls how strong the blur effect will be. For softening edges, you typically want a larger brush size with moderate intensity to create smooth, natural-looking transitions. Experiment with these settings until you find what works best for your particular photo. Now comes the creative part. Drag the brush carefully around the edges of your photo. Work your way around the entire border, applying the blur where you want that soft, blended look. You can go over the same area multiple times if you need a stronger effect, or use lighter strokes for subtle softening. Take your time here to ensure the edges blend exactly how you envision them. Once you're satisfied with how the softened edges look, click the X on the Blur Options panel. This will close the editing menu and apply all the changes you've made to your photo. Your image now has those beautifully blended soft edges that add a professional polish to your design. And that's it. You've successfully created soft blended photo edges in Canva that give your images that elevated professional appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.